روچڈیل بورو کونسل کے میئر عاصم رشید، ڈپٹی لیڈر عدالت علی، ڈپٹی میئر علی احمد، کونسلر افتخار احمد، کونسلر رانا فیصل، کونسلر سمینہ ظہیر نے ایک بار پھر عوام سے اپیل کی ہے کہ ویکسین لگوائیں اور جنہوں نے ڈبل ویکسین لگا لی ہے وہ بوسٹر ویکسین بھی لگوائیں۔
The vaccine has provided vital protection for the community. It has protected thousands of people, many older and vulnerable.
It's been an amazing effort, but there is so much more we can do. There are still many residents in the community to come forward to get the vaccine.
For the last 13 months, tens of thousands of people have been vaccinated. That is thanks to our excellent vaccination program. The only way we can get back to normality is if everybody is vaccinated.
You need to come forward and take your booster jobs. Booster jobs are helping us to reduce the hospitalizations.
So I would like to request all those people to get their vaccination or booster done to keep themselves and their families safe.
So I have had my booster dose and I will request everybody, please get your booster dose as soon as possible. Together we can fight this disease. If we are not doing it together, it's very, very difficult. I have been vaccinated. My mother's been vaccinated. We've had 2 jabs. And I've had a booster. My mother's had a booster. My family has had a booster. We've had absolutely no side effect.
I have 2 jabs and booster and I feel very safe. And I hope that you will get both your jabs and booster to feel the same way.
Please don't hesitate, come forward and get boosted now.
I am proud to be fully vaccinated and I've done my bit, and I hope you all can be proud by doing your bit. Thank you.